Hello, I'm Mihela. Today we talk about a bulbul where the whole body is yellow. The yellow-browed bulbul. The yellow-browed bulbul or golden-browed bulbul is a species of songbird in the bulbul family. They are easily located by their loud calls but tend to skulk within foliage below the forest canopy. It is found in the forests of southern India and Sri Lanka. The yellow-browed bulbul is mainly yellow on the underside and olive above, with a distinct yellow brow with a clean face and dark eyes. Inhabits foothills and lower montane forests, often in moist areas, commonly encountered in pairs or small flocks, but will also join mixed species flocks. Their calls are like locally named Bama, Kaha, Galuguduwa. I have seen the yellow-browed bulbul at Cejiamarillo, Candy. These are some of the pictures of one of our recent visits to Cejiamarillo.